Unlock global opportunities. 8 skill shortage work visas for fresh grads in 2025. What's up everyone, it's Syed Ali here, and today we're talking about something super important: landing your dream job after graduation. The job market's tough, right? But guess what? You've got options, like a ton of options you might not even know about. We're diving deep into 8 different countries that are practically begging for skilled graduates like you. And no, I'm not exaggerating. Stick around because this information could seriously change your life. Alright, first up, Australia. Think sunshine, beaches, and a booming economy that's hungry for talented grads. They've got this thing called the Skills in Demand visa, specifically designed to bring in people with skills they need. And get this, you might not even need years of experience. If your degree's on their core skills occupation list, you could be looking at employer sponsorship. Seriously. Plus, the temporary graduate visa lets you stay even longer to gain experience. Talk about a win-win. Next, we're heading over to Canada, eh? Think maple syrup, politeness, and a welcoming immigration system that's actually designed to help you succeed. Canada's Express Entry program is like the fast track to permanent residency. And guess what? Your education plays a huge role in qualifying. Plus, each province has its own provincial nominee program, so you can target specific regions that need your skills. And if you studied in Canada, the Canadian Experience class can get you on the fast track to a work permit and even permanent residency. Now let's talk Germany, the heart of European engineering and technology. They're known for their precision, their cars, and their desperate need for skilled graduates, especially in STEM. Germany's Skilled Immigration Act is like a golden ticket for anyone with in-demand skills. And here's a cool thing: the job seeker visa lets you move to Germany and actually search for a job for 6 whole months. No pressure, right? Plus, the Chancenkarte, or Opportunity Card, is a points-based system that values your qualifications, giving you a chance to live and work in one of the strongest economies in Europe. Chapter 4, Austria, living the red-white-red dream. Austria. It's not just about Mozart and mountains, people. This country's got a thriving economy and they're looking for skilled workers. Enter the red-white-red card, a points-based system that loves, and I mean loves, a good education. If you've got a degree in science, IT, healthcare, or any other in-demand field, Austria might just roll out the red carpet for you. Literally. They make it easier to settle in and start building your career in one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Chapter 5. New Zealand, adventure and opportunity await. Next up, New Zealand, the land of breathtaking landscapes and, you guessed it, a need for skilled workers. Their post-study work visa is like a gift. Graduate from a New Zealand institution, and boom, you get to stay for up to 3 years to gain experience. That's plenty of time to build your resume, enjoy the incredible scenery, and maybe even try some bungee jumping, just saying. Now let's hop over to the UK. Brexit might have changed things, but their need for talented grads is stronger than ever. The UK's graduate route visa is like a dream come true. Finish your degree in the UK, and you can stay and work for 2 years or even 3 if you've got a PhD. No job offer needed, which means you've got time to explore different industries and find your perfect fit. It's a great way to launch your global career. Ireland, land of Guinness, friendly locals and a booming tech scene. They're looking for talented grads, and that's where the third-level graduate program comes in. This program lets international graduates stay in Ireland for up to 2 years after finishing their studies. The best part? You don't need a job offer beforehand. That's 2 years to network, gain experience, and maybe even perfect your Irish accent. Last but not least, we're heading to Singapore, a global powerhouse with a hunger for talent. The employment pass is your ticket to working in one of the most dynamic economies in the world. If your skills are in high demand, Singapore wants you. They're known for their efficiency, their innovation, and their incredibly diverse culture. It's a melting pot of opportunities, and your international experience will be highly valued. So there you have it, 8 incredible countries practically begging for talented graduates like you. It's time to think big, guys. Your dream career doesn't have to be limited by borders. Do your research, check out the visa requirements, and start planning your next move. The world is literally your oyster. If you found this video helpful, Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos about building your dream career. Until next time.